Hello everyone, Dan here. 2 day-night signal flares, the Orion pocket rocket kit with some mods I did, the Navy Mk-79 Mod 2 signal kit, some Nomex gloves, and some eye probe. These 2 day-night signals, the green is smoke and the other side's flare, but they plastic cap with a rubber O-ring, and then there's just a pull ring with a string. It's connected to a primer of sorts inside the body there. Now this side there was a slight rattle in this unit, so we get to see that it doesn't quite work out. But anyway, you hold the ring and you pull the body away from you. This way when it ignites, it's igniting away from you. So don't go pulling the ring and sticking it in your face. So you can see it didn't quite work out, and we do come back to it later. Alright, for this side, this is the flare side. This is what you use at night. So you can see there the other O-ring, flat O-ring. And again, you just pull it away from yourself. And presto. Super hot, super sparky, super bright. And it lasts a decent amount of time. You'll see here in a second. It's approximately an 18-second burn time, with the advertised being 15 seconds. Kind of sucks that it stays on fire, so you gotta watch out for that part. Alright, we're gonna try out the other unit, the smoke portion of that one. And the smoke is for daytime. It's used to show a rescuer where you are. They basically follow the smoke down to the source. But with aircraft, it also tells the aircraft wind speed and wind direction. An important note about these pen guns is when you use them, you hold it above your head. Don't look at it. You hold it above your head. You do not look at it. Because if these flares detonate, it'll detonate above your head instead of in your face. So, very important distinction here. Hold it above you. Don't look at it. Just FYI. I took elastic webbing, rubberized elastic webbing, folded it over one part, and then as you can see I just sewed lengths to create a bandolier for 7 of these things. And these are all from 2016, so we're giving them a shot here. And as you can see, the firing pin protrudes from the body of the pen gun itself. So you cock the striker into that notch there to clear the firing pin. Then you load the meteor. This way you're not locking the meteor down onto the firing pin and potentially shooting it off in your hand. So that's it. Used to be Orion pocket rocket, and as you can see here, it's backpack rocket. Whatever. But you have to buy 2 to get 6 flares. Obviously, only 3 come in the pack. So this is a very, very commercialized product. Buy it, throw it into your life vest type of thing. But I think it's one of the more effective pieces, because who's going to carry around the gun with the 12 gauge shell, the pistol with the 12 gauge shell?